this is what the final result looks like. So today I'm going to install reverse parking sensors on the rear bumper of this Toyota Highlander 2013. For doing that, I need to remove the bumper and then do the job. So, two of the obvious bolts are here, 10 mm bolts. A few bolts down here, these ones. So let's start cracking. So all the clips and screws have been removed. All is needed now is just prying away it gently, so it should not be difficult. Like this. Similarly from the other side, and then it will be pulled out. Let's see the other side. It sounds like it is broken or something, but that's the normal way it is supposed to come off. And the whole bumper should now slide off. Like this. Bumper is off. So I have verified there is enough space behind this here and around here on both sides. So I'll drill holes here, 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 and here. So I have marked the locations where I'm going to drill the holes. This in reference to the bumper top, this, and this. Although I have done the measurements a couple of times, but whenever you are drilling a hole in a bumper or something cosmetic, it's a little bit risky, so let's hope everything turns out fine. This is the center punch. So the hole is done. So all the holes have been made, all the sensors have been inserted, and now the wires will be tidied up from the back side. This is how it looks from behind. I'll tidy up the wires. So the wires have been tidied up, as you can see, with tie clamps, and now all of these wires will be run inside the car. So I'm going to apply tape on the back side of every sensor so that it cannot slide out. Tape like this. That will keep all of these secure inside. Now I have to figure out how am I going to bring all the wires in. I am probably going to use this existing wire, the route for this existing wire in. So removing this. Yep, and there are the wires. So I need to figure out which one is powering up the reverse lamp, and from there I will take the power for the control module of the reverse parking sensors. Let me figure that out. So I have removed all 3 bulbs from their holders for the turn signal, the brake light, and most probably this is reverse. Just will reconfirm by putting the car in reverse. So I've confirmed that this is the reverse lamp. So I will splice my wires in here to power up the reverse parking sensor. So that's taken care of. Now all I need to do is fish the wire in from there. So let's see how I do that. So I'm going to use this fishing tool to see if I can insert the wires from here in like this. So I have fished all the wires in, and now I'm going to connect it to the central module and this alarm beeper. So I have made a joint. Red wire goes to the solid blue like this, and similarly I'm going to connect the black wire to this striped wire and then cover it with insulation tape. So I have made the connection, and important thing to remember is never splice the wires at the same location. You see, this is higher, this is lower. Now I'm going to apply insulation tape to it and then close it. So all the connections have been done. I have checked the operation also. It is working fine. I'm unable to think of a suitable location for this. I don't want to run the wire right up till the front dashboard. I want to install it somewhere here, but I cannot think of any. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comment section. So for this, I don't have any idea how to make sure it doesn't rattle at all inside. So I'm going to just wrap it in an old rag and then stuff it in. Hopefully it will be fine. Any ideas for this will also be appreciated. So this is how I have left it for now. And once I think of a suitable place, I will install it there. So all done. This is what the final result looks like. And now let's test it once from the inside also. So let's test it now. It is in reverse. As I get close, it should start beeping around here. So it is working fine. Thanks for watching.